Welcome to Best Choice. The best gasket rubber ring is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your Nutribullet. These small, unassuming rings are essential for a smooth and leak-free blending experience. Over time, they can wear out, crack, or lose their sealing ability, leading to messy spills and reduced performance. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Nutribullet Gasket Rubber Rings, exploring why they're so important and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. Nutribullet Gasket Rubber Ring Seal Rings Replacement. This replacement gasket is designed for Nutribullet 600W and 900W series blenders. It's a perfect fit for your personal blender. However, it is not compatible with RX, Magic Bullet, or Baby Bullet models. Made from food-grade silicone rubber, this gasket protects and seals your blender. Replacing the old seal keeps the lid clean and prevents leaks. It's a crucial accessory to have on hand. The outside diameter is 4.05 inches. When installed, the gasket's outside diameter is 3.9 inches, with an inner diameter of 3.43 inches and a width of 0.235 inches. This ensures a snug fit. Built and tested to strict quality control standards, this gasket meets or exceeds OEM standards. Installation is easy, making it a direct replacement for the original part. You can save money compared to dealer prices. This rubber sealing gasket comes with a 1-year warranty. If the drive clutch with O-ring fails, simply contact us for a replacement or refund. It's a cost-effective solution for your blender. What we like. This gasket is made of food-grade silicone rubber, ensuring your drinks are safe and your blender is protected. It provides a watertight seal, preventing leaks and messes. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect fit, good quality. The substitute seal gaskets for my blender worked perfectly, no leaks. These rubber rings work well and as intended with my blender. There's a slight centering adjustment. I like that the package came with 3, no long waits if something happens to the first. Great value. Number 4. Nutribullet 600W 900W Blender Seal Ring Gasket. Are you looking for a replacement seal ring gasket for your Nutribullet blender? This product is designed specifically for the 600W and 900W series. It ensures a tight seal for optimal blending performance. The package includes 4 replacement seal ring gaskets with a lip. This provides you with spares for future use. It's a convenient solution to keep your blender running smoothly. This gasket is compatible with Nutribullet Personal Blender 600W and Pro 900W models. It's a perfect fit for your blender, ensuring a secure and leak-proof seal during operation. Please note that this gasket is designed for blades with a lip. Before purchasing, make sure your blade has this feature. This will ensure the gasket fits correctly and functions as intended. The compatible blade has an outside diameter of 4.05 inches and a height of 1.57 inches. The gasket installed has an outside diameter of 3.9 inches, an inner diameter of 3.43 inches, and a width of 0.235 inches. Make sure it matches your needs. Before installing the new gasket, be sure to remove the old, worn one from the blade. Watch the installation video for easy replacement. This will help you install it correctly. What we like. This set comes with 4 gaskets, giving you spares for future replacements. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are a frequent blender user and want to have replacements on hand, this is a great choice. What people say. These replacement gaskets are perfect for my Nutribullet blender. It comes with a hook to easily get the old one out. They fit perfectly and got the job done. The right size and fit for the Nutribullet 900. Replace the old cracked seal and these do not leak. The added hook makes for easy removal. Number 3. Nutribullet 600W 900W Blender Replacement Gasket. Is your Nutribullet leaking? This replacement gasket is designed for your 600W or 900W series blender. It's a perfect fit to restore the blender's sealing ability. The package includes 3 seal ring gaskets with a lip. These are essential parts for your blender's proper function. You'll have spares for future replacements. This gasket is compatible with Nutribullet 600W and 900W series blenders. It's designed to fit perfectly and ensure a tight seal. Make sure it fits your model. This gasket will not fit blades without a lip. It's also not compatible with Nutribullet RX, Magic Bullet, or Baby Bullet blades. Please check your blade type before purchasing. Before installing, remove the old gasket from the blade. Watch the installation video for easy replacement. This will help ensure a proper fit and prevent leaks. Ensure your seal ring gasket has a lip on both sides. Check your blade's dimensions to confirm compatibility. This will help ensure the best performance. Compatible blades have an outside diameter of 4.05 inches and a height of 1.57 inches. The gasket itself has an outside diameter of 3.9 inches, an inner diameter of 3.43 inches, and a width of 0.235 inches when installed. What we like? This set comes with 3 gaskets, giving you spares for future replacements. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are a frequent blender user and want to have replacements on hand, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit and good quality. They work perfectly. Fit perfectly on the blender. Number 2. Ninja Blender Rubber Gasket Replacement. Tired of leaks? These replacement gaskets are designed specifically for your Ninja blender. They ensure a tight seal for optimal performance. Each gasket measures 3.94 inches in diameter, 0.4 inches in height, and 0.11 inches in thickness. Before installing, make sure to remove any debris from the blade gap. Pay attention to the grooves. Install the gasket with the single groove facing down and the triple groove facing out. This ensures a proper fit and prevents leaks. These gaskets fit a wide range of Ninja blender models, including Pro Extractor, Auto IQ, and Duo models. Check the list to see if it fits your blender. Made from food-grade rubber, these gaskets are safe and durable. You'll receive a pack of 5, providing you with replacements for the long term. We are here to help you. What we like? This pack includes 5 gaskets, ensuring you have plenty of replacements. It's made from durable, food-grade rubber for safe and long-lasting use. If you have a Ninja blender and need a reliable replacement, this is the perfect option. What people say. They fit perfectly and work great. These are the perfect replacement gaskets for my Nutribullet. The Nutribullet works like new again. Number 1. Nutribullet 600W 900W Blender Gasket Replacement. Is your Nutribullet leaking? This replacement gasket is designed to solve that problem. It's a perfect fit for your 600W or 900W series blender. The package includes 2 seal ring gaskets. These are essential for maintaining a tight seal and preventing leaks during blending. This gasket is compatible with Nutribullet 600W and 900W series blenders. It's a direct replacement part, ensuring a secure fit and optimal performance. Please note, this gasket is not compatible with blades that don't have a lip. It also won't fit Nutribullet RX, Magic Bullet, or Baby Bullet blades. Before installing, remove the old gasket from your blade. Watch the installation video for easy replacement. This will ensure the best results. Make sure your seal ring gasket has a lip on both sides. Check your blade's dimensions: outside diameter, 4.05 inch, height, 1.57 inch. The gasket's dimensions when installed are: outside diameter, 3.9 inch, inner diameter, 3.43 inch, width, 0.235 inch. What we like? This set comes with 2 gaskets, giving you spares for future replacements. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are a frequent blender user and want to have replacements on hand, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits perfectly and works great. Exact same T-shape as the OEM gaskets, appears to be made of the same material. They solved the problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.